Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your earbuds Philips. To call voice assistant we need to use controls, and at the back side, right here at the top, we have them. So to call a voice assistant you need to press and hold the touch control on your left or right earbud. Let's check the right one firstly. I just press and hold it, and as you can see I wake up voice assistant. Let's check the left one. Press and hold, and I also call it. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have something you will call Bixby. And this one is the only one option how to call it, because this application haven't application, so we cannot app to customize gesture and add this feature to another gesture. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.